We're here at the building for a client meeting to talk to the building engineer because the client wants some designs and I need to know where the utilities are. Like if you do CAD style drafting, you lay over something, just like in InDesign or Photoshop. And ta-da! I have it as outlines. But I do the same thing with the plumbing because you can actually see the measurement or the measurement of the pipes. Time check. It's already around 5:25. My goodness, what time do I sleep? I want to see the source of water is over there. Oftentimes, those who teach find out that they still have a lot to learn. Kasla mabalin pa iti 8 minutes. Deliver only at night because of the truck ban. Sige, ilagay mo lang sa likod, silang bahala. Baka tumama isay nga itong 20. Okay. Ay, mabigat ang flexboard. The difference with flexboard is the hardboard face, which is this side, is ready for painting. EMT pipe. So that's 3 pieces na flat sheet. Okay.
Tapos nilagyan namin ng epoxy yung gilid, ng warmis
yung mesh?
Oo.
Sipag talaga ang mga laborer. Ladies for more than 16 years, 23 years, 20 years. I want to find employees who will stay as long as that. 2 feet, 60. Iwasan natin yung biga.
Kapag ililipat.
Yung buong building?
Opo. May salita. Sabi ko, ma'am,
Let's finish the meeting with the admin regarding the sprinklers. They said they will be the ones with the sprinklers and also the exterior door. We will talk to the owner if they can agree to additional costing. If not, then we will leave it as is. Walang. Almost all designers, architects and interior designers, favorite part is choosing tiles. I made friends with trucking, so we don't have a hard time delivering to town because in town they don't allow trucks during the daytime. 6-meter pipe, this one. It's 6 meters. That cannot fit in the small car, so we're having them chop it. Stop. Say thank you, sir. It's their vernacular term for the circular rod or the pamunas. That's why it's good for apprentices to start with site visit, purchasing and hardware. Because how on earth will you know how to detail this in your drawings if you do not know that the inside is actually 305 by 305 and the outside is 455 millimeters?
here's the exhaust.
FN C. Okay. On the apprentice's second week, and let's see how she progressed. Checks the delivery receipt and then materials as well. Down. Itong gang. Ilan? Yung ganyan? 14. Tapos?
Tapos, dalawang set ng one lang.
3-prong. Yun o, 3-prong. Okay, so look, S2, 2-gang switch. Pa-upgrade po kami ng 2 gray, ma'am.
48 meters ng precision. So, tapos waiting time medyo matagal. Mechanical ako pero matagal ako sa construction.
Anong advice na sir? Email.
Construction is dominated by male. Ikaw na babae, pag magsalita ka sa mga tao, dapat may authority ka pa rin. Kasi ikaw ang technical, ikaw ang professional, ikaw ang supervisor. Dapat sundin nila.
Sige, paano?
Vlog na.
Gawin nyo nga naman ba?
Lang. So you have to hold on to it, huh?
Yes, sir.
We need an elf.
You have to know, yeah, sir.
So we carry these 5 floors. How airplanes sound like. How do airplanes? Okay, again, Rosita, 1, 2, 3, go. Remember, you can call these stranded wires. Each color code from the PEC, our Philippine Electrical Code, 150 meters, 3.5 for the power usually, 5.5 for our water heaters, 2 mm for our lights, thermo high heat nylon coated, thermoplastic heat resistant and water resistant nylon coated. Apo.
Para may extension dito kasi yung sensor niya.
Sa taas. Windows Shift S and made a snapshot of the exact tile design I like, then use texture image, and then I look for that specific tile. If you cannot instruct the construction, it's going to be very hard for them to follow, especially that they are not the final say. Hello. Hello, sir. Sak ni si KJ tinawag ni Kon.
Ito lang siya dadaan, sir.
So itong dalawa 4-hole na chin and is pang temporary lang. In the photo itself, put there where it's going to be used. So she placed like common area, something like that. If you give me 5 or 6 at the same time, I cannot kagabunshin myself. So I need a workflow that makes it faster. Like apprentices will help. But if you're going to do the interiors, tapos palpak naman, then I will focus my efforts on the interiors and send you to the site. Because I need help where it's efficient. Are you blaming the printing shop for making it gray when it's supposed to be white? Regardless, good job today. DIY stuff. For the ceiling, we need to expose the mechanical systems so it's not fully enclosed so our sprinklers can still work. It's always better to rely on the apprentice who has work ethics because skill can be learned, but habits die hard. Afraid that you'll be laughed at?
Yes, sir.
You know, it's better to get laughed at now while you're still learning than to get laughed at when you're already a professional. Yan. 2, 3, 5. Masyadong hassle ang tape. At least alam mo na yung sukat ng kamay hanggang sa shoulder. Sometimes we like a lot of things but they don't fit the budget. That's why I'm saying don't just keep placing things in the model if you cannot verify it in actual, especially if you're involved with the build or the supervision. Also check for the tile lining. That's why you need to get cleaning service. Imagine how small the sink is. Because if you get a bigger one, it's gonna hit your body. So sometimes there are reconsiderations made, like hiding the panel boxes, changing the surface coat to matte or glossy, hiding the electrical wire, see the misalignment, chipping off the tiles, DIY baffle ceiling.
Mga parang kapapalo mulutang lang mga kuhit na isip di matupad ng ang gusta. Kailangan natin ang tumpak na kasangkaban para mabuo ang mundong inaasam. Mag-gadget layout tayong magtitiwala. Mga guhit sa isip di matupad ng basta. Kailangan natin ang tumpak na kasangkaban para mabuo ang mundong inaasam. Gadget layout tayong magtitiwala. Makakaukit ng esensya ng ating adika. Galing at talino sa arkitektura'y lalapas. Wala nang masasayang na oras at lakas. Imagine ang ganda ng bawat gusali. Sa bawat ang gulo bawat hakbang. Gamit ang gabay